Hi, ecobee Pro! Welcome to the install walkthrough for ecobee Smart Thermostat Lite for homes with air-to-air or geothermal heat pump. If you have any questions during installation, call our dedicated Pro support line. We're here to help. Pro tip: smart thermostats require time to acclimate to their new environment. To shorten this time frame, take the device out of the box at the beginning of the installation. First, turn off the line voltage power to the furnace or air handler and the heat pump unit. Remove the old thermostat cover and take a photo of the wiring for reference. Pro tip: the old thermostat may have two sets of wiring labels, one for conventional setup and one for heat pump. Make sure you use the correct set of labels when matching it to the ecobee Smart Thermostat. If you have a jumper wire between RH and RC, that jumper wire is no longer required. Just connect to the RC terminal. With ecobee Smart Thermostat Lite, one transformer configuration R must go into the RC terminal. Pro tip: ecobee uses the C and RC terminals for power. If there's no C or common wire, check if there is an unavailable unused wire. If not, use the ecobee Power Extender Kit. The Power Extender Kit installation is detailed in a separate video. Let's start with the air handler install. For a two-stage heat pump with one-stage auxiliary heat, this is how you connect the wires. The first stage Y1 compressor wire goes into the ecobee Y1 terminal. The second stage Y2 compressor wire goes into the ecobee Y2 terminal. The fan G wire goes into the ecobee G PEK terminal. The auxiliary heat W1 wire goes into the ecobee W1 terminal. If applicable, the second stage auxiliary heat wire goes into the W2 terminal. Now, install the reversing valve OB wire into the ecobee OB terminal. Once the wiring is correctly placed, give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they're fully inserted and making good contact. Gently push the Smart Thermostat Lite onto the backplate. Turn the power to the HVAC system back on. Set up Smart Thermostat Lite. The Smart Thermostat will power on in a few seconds and be ready to set up. Select "I'm an HVAC professional" and configure the device as required. Enter your unique ecobee Pro PIN. Contact Inside Sales at ecobee.com to get your ecobee Pro PIN today. Your PIN keeps you connected to customers with email notifications and saves your contact information directly on their ecobee Smart Thermostat. Connect the Smart Thermostat to your customer's Wi-Fi and register it to the ecobee app on their mobile phone. This allows them to easily control their ecobee from anywhere and keep the software up to date. Now your customer is all set. If you have any questions about installation, our support team is here to help. We hope these steps helped you feel confident installing ecobee Smart Thermostat Lite in your customer's home. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.